I generally recommend people to have or consider a shoulder replacement under 3 specific conditions, right? And I always tell people, number 1, if it bothers you when you sleep, if it affects the quality of your life, and you can't do the things you want to do, then you consider getting it done. You know, some people come in with very early, let's say shoulder arthritis or a very small partial rotator cuff tear, right? In that case, if it's really not affecting the quality of your life, I tell people, look, it's not your heart, lungs, or your brain, right? So ultimately, it is an elective procedure. So if it really, truly bothers you every single day and you can't do what you want to do, and you're a candidate for it, as in your x-rays are severe enough, then it may be a time to consider, shoulder replacement. I would say almost all shoulder replacement surgeries nowadays take an hour or less, but nowadays the vast majority are less than an hour. And I tell people that the approach that we use doesn't cut any muscles. We go right between the deltoid and the pec, almost like a little interval. And when we're done, it closes back up, and you get what looks like saran wrap, a waterproof dressing over top, and that allows you to shower almost right away. And how we do the surgery oftentimes will dictate how long the recovery is, right? Because when we place our implants in, those implants are smooth on smooth from day one. When we manipulate the tendons around the shoulder, those ultimately have to heal, and that's how we break up our recovery. Looking at a 10,000, foot view, I always tell patients that the recovery generally is broken down into a variety of stages, and it's 6 weeks, 6 weeks, 6 weeks, and then about 5-6 months. By 5 or 6 months, you're doing every single thing that you want to do, right? And I'll tell you, hopefully I'll see you when I see you. That's the goal. The first 6 weeks, you're in a sling and you're resting. I tell people that when you walk around, you're the 3-limb man, right? Or woman, right? And you can do everything you want to do. You can open up a bottle. Your arm just has to be tucked in and resting. What we really want to avoid is you to take that arm and start testing it and lifting it while it heals, right? Because we're going to aggressively rest it for the first 6 weeks. The next 6 weeks, the 6 week to 12 week mark, it's range of motion time with physical therapy, and your shoulder is very much stable enough to handle that. And that's with physical therapy, or a lot of times now with home exercises. From the 3-month mark, the third 6 weeks mark, that's range of motion, plus now it's robust enough to start strengthening. And then from that 3 months to the 6-month mark, when I see you back one more time, is when we really get to cut you loose.